What up, fellas? What's going on? My cousin Raymond decided that I make a little video on some beats. I'm not gonna make it, from scratch, but I'm gonna go over what I did and stuff like that, and a little bit of mixing here and there. I'm not too in depth like others. My first video, I'm not used to doing this, but I'm gonna try. You know what I mean? Big Mass Beats. Holla at me if you like it. This is like an R&B type, slow trap R&B joint. So let me know if you guys like it. Alright, let's get into it. Basically the melody. Simple beat. Little vox. Throw that bass in there. 808. Stop it. I'll throw some hi-hats in there. So let me see. Go into the packs. I might use let's see, Big White. Like Big White. Big Whites is their packs are serious, man. Their packs been serious since as long as I can remember. 4 years back, maybe. Yeah, I like that one. So what I'll do is bring this over here. Throw this on its own pattern. And then I'll throw that 1/3. Hats. Simple video, like I said. I'll show you how I do things, but not too much. I'll get another video pretty soon. With me doing beats from scratch. I'll let you guys know. Show you guys what my process is. Let's see. Put a piano roll. Put this on 1/3, which everybody producing knows that. Let me play with it. I think I want get your melody right. I want too low because I already have a low one, so I'm not gonna put it too low. So I go put it right about here. Throw it down a little bit. These, I think, in trap music, basically these are the most important things. People don't think so, but it is. You don't got your hi-hat rolls right. Basically ain't trap. Might as well call it boom bap. So let me see. I'll put this. It's on 6. So I'm trying to go here. I'm gonna go over here. Put this up. Be lazy a little bit. There we go. EQ it a little bit. Four simple melodies. So basically, simple beat, and also everybody can get on. Like it's not really that difficult, complex. You know, it's simple but effective, and you know, the melody speaks for itself. And the Vox, basically, like, get a nice Vox to go with it, man. Like something different that people don't use. So basically, I put this one in because I don't hear a lot of folks using this. So I'll put another one right here. Fix this a little bit. There we go. All I did was just trim down the bass a little bit. Trim it down just a tiny bit with this right here. The equalizer on the low end, just a little bit. Just enough to where it shines through with the kick. Kick bumping. basically it. Have another in-depth video, like I said, in a few. Just showing you guys how what my process was on this track, and then stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm just gonna just play the whole video, the whole beat, you know what I mean, with the arrangement and all that, where I dropped everything and stuff like that. Like I said, it's a quick video, so don't go nowhere till you hear the finished product. Peace.